In front of me is NOKIA C31, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Now tap on System. Following that, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Lastly, hit Text Correction and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!